Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Discover Online Savings to your bank step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from your Discover Online Savings account to your linked bank account, begin by logging into your Discover Online banking account. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. Click on the Accounts tab to view your account details. Locate your online savings account on the list. Select the account from which you wish to make a withdrawal. Now, look for the transfer option and click on it. You will need to choose the amount you want to withdraw. Enter the amount in the provided field. Next, find the drop-down menu to select the bank account you want to transfer the funds to. Ensure that the selected bank account is linked and active. Review the withdrawal details to confirm accuracy. Once everything looks correct, click on the Submit button to initiate the transfer. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been processed. Check your email or notifications for a confirmation of the transaction. The transfer to your bank account may take a few business days to complete. Monitor your bank account to verify that the funds have arrived. If you encounter any issues, you can contact Discover's customer service for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.